Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your text pop? I'll show you how to add stunning gradients in Canva. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, select Custom Size from the options. For this tutorial, enter 300 by 300 pixels as your dimensions, then confirm to proceed. Click the Text tool, select Heading, and type your desired content. For example, you can enter any text you want as your heading here. Type Spiral into the text box. Next, highlight the text to select it. Go to the Font menu and choose your preferred font style from the list. The text will update instantly to reflect your selected font. Select the new font style, then drag the edge or corner of the text box to increase its size as needed. Next, position your sign in the center of the screen. Use the X-axis guideline to help align it accurately. Once your sign is centered, click to place it. This ensures your sign is perfectly positioned along the center line. Select the X color, then scroll down to find the gradient colors. Choose a gradient option from the available selections. Your region text will remain visible. If needed, you can still adjust the region colors at the top of the panel to customize your design. Finally, you have the option to change the gradient style by selecting circular instead of the default. This gives your region a unique circular gradient effect. Select the circular option from the design choices instead of a linear layout. Click to apply the circular design. Next, we'll add another element to your project using the available options in the menu. Click to add a new color and select yellow from the options. Next, add another color by clicking the plus icon again, and this time choose green. Observe how adding yellow and green changes the appearance of your text color in real time. The changes look great. Now, let's add a background to enhance the design. Click the background option in the toolbar. Choose a color or image you like and apply it to your project for a new look. Select your object, then choose a color from the palette. Select the black color from the palette so the changes to this region are clearly visible. Choosing a dark color like black provides strong contrast, making any adjustments stand out more effectively. This helps you easily observe the effect applied to this area as you continue working on your project. To add an outline, select your object and choose the outline option. Set the outline color to white for better visibility. Adjust the thickness of the outline by dragging the thickness slider or entering a value, depending on your preference. This enhances the overall appearance. Click the eyedropper tool, then hover over the area to sample and estimate the color from your image. Drag the corner of the element inward to make it smaller and compact. To add a duplicate, select the item you want to copy, then click the duplicate button. The system will create an exact copy instantly. To create a 3D spiral effect, first, slightly move the object to adjust its position, then check if you can form a spiral. Select the spiral option, just like we recently applied to duplicate the text along a spiral path. You'll see there are several spiral options available here. Choose one that best fits your design by clicking on it. Next, try rotating the view or changing the angle to see how the spiral appears in 3D, refining as needed. First, duplicate the text layer once. Select the text and move it slightly to create a slight offset. Next, click the text layer again and press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard to duplicate it once more. Select this new duplicate layer. Now you're able to add or modify text as needed on this layer, creating a stacked or offset text effect in your project. Group your 3D files together, then go to the Stack section. Here, you can organize and manage your grouped files for better workflow efficiency. Click the Share button, then select Download. To ensure maximum image quality, increase the size setting to its highest value. Once you've adjusted the size for the best quality, click Download again to save the high-resolution image to your device. Give your text some extra pop using gradients in Canva. If you found this helpful, drop a like and hit subscribe for more tips.